Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank, and today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'll be letting you guys know where we are in the market, as well as where I think we might be heading in the near future. Currently, Bitcoin is trading for $39,263. We are starting to see a pullback from just 2 days ago when Bitcoin was right around $42,694 to where we are now. That gives us about an 8.37% drawdown, or right around $3,572 to where we are currently. It's not a bad drawdown, guys. It's a little bit above my comfort level. Like I always say, I'm comfortable with these pullbacks being around 6 to 8%. We're a little bit above 8%. It is what it is. Kind of sucks, but we can only work with what we got. Let's see what we can see on Market Cipher B. Again, we are on the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we do see that the RSIs are pointing downwards on the 4-hour time frame. We are still in the green, even though it's kind of working against us. We're seeing a lot of money flow come in, but it's selling pressure. The anchor wave on Market Cipher B is getting deeper. It's not down to that 60 line where it shows real strength, but it's getting there, guys. We have to kind of wait a little bit longer. I think another 3-hour and 30-minute time frame would probably show us that we get down there, maybe even print a little green dot. I'm not going to front run anything, though. It's a little bit too early for all that, but that's just me kind of guessing what we might see. I think anybody trying to think about shorting the market right now, in my humble opinion, I think you kind of missed the bus. Would have been great if you did it up here. Right now, I think you're trying to just take the bus for a block walk, and if I was you, I'd just save my money and walk it, if you know what I mean. Not financial advice. You do yourself, and I'll do me. But just saying what I'm saying, and just, you know, what I'm doing. I'm not shorting this right now. I'm looking at the overall bigger picture, and if the trend is our friend and we're trading the trend, I'm still saying we're bullish, guys. These pullbacks, these drawdowns are needed. I keep saying them in every video that I make, guys. If we're going to expect higher price point for Bitcoin, we got to get comfortable with the idea that we're going to have pullbacks, guys. It's just the way it goes. Ebbs and flows. It go up, it go down. That's how the market moves, man. You know, right here, come up, come down, come up, come down, come up, come down. That's just how it goes. We got to have those pullbacks. In fact, actually, let me show you guys something. Since it popped up, I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I told you guys back here on the 27th of last month that I thought, follow this yellow line here, that this is how the market was going to move. And I was pretty much spot on, even though we did rally and we did go a little bit below. We were pretty much spot on. We did reach exactly where I thought, right about here, before this selling pressure came in. I didn't expect that much selling pressure to come in. But it is what it is. You can't nail them every single time, right? But right around here, yesterday, nailed it. We were right where I thought we were going to be for a short time. And then we came down. So I don't know how much that's worth, but I told you. Anyway, guys, let's take a look at the other time frames here on Market Cipher B. We just saw on the 4-hour anchors getting kind of low, not yet on the 60 line. RSIs are pointing down. Let's see if we're catching any other clues of maybe some support coming in. Let's look at the 3-hour here. 3 hours looking a lot thicker on the anchor wave. RSIs are starting to curve. Just see, they're not totally curving back up, but they are starting to curve, if you guys know what I mean here. Let's take a look at the 2-hour. 2-hour, we did just get a signal, that green dot there, that we might be catching a little bit of support. We are starting to rally, actually. If you guys haven't noticed on Bitcoin's price, we went all the way from the high 38,000 price point all the way up to the mid 39s again now here. See how quickly things turn around? I really wouldn't short anything right now. On the 2-hour, though, we are seeing that we are on the red. RSIs are pointing up. We did catch this signal, but it could look a lot like this right here, where we caught a whole bunch of other signals back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't know if just yet this is going to play out entirely. It has another hour and 30 minutes before it does. If it does hold up, though, that could get us back up into that $40,000 price point and start turning this whole selling pressure around. This could actually start raising us back up into that 40,000 price point on the charts. Let's take a look at the 1-hour. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so tired. I've been driving all day from Ohio. The 1-hour. Yeah, see, we're getting mixed signals here. We got a red dot on the 1-hour. We got a green dot on the 2-hour. Right now, I didn't even notice this, guys. We got a yellow X on the 1-hour. Y'all know what that means on Market Cipher. Manipulation. I don't know how they calculate that, but manipulation. Look at that wick, by the way, guys. It's not even body. It's just wick. That means we're fighting it out. So it does look like we're getting some kind of manipulation. Again, don't ask me how that, comes about. I don't know the algorithms. I don't know the presets of how they do that. I just know what that signifies. It does signify some sort of manipulation. Can we hold? That's the question, right? That's the question. I say, just let it play out. Be patient. Zoom out. Breathe. We've already rallied this high. If we get this kind of a pullback, so what? It's fine. It happens. We get them. Let it come. Let it go. Right now, like I said, though, we're still in the 1 hour. I don't know if I would take a short position right here, guys. Like I said, if you got it back up here, that would have been great, but we've already come down, you know, over 8%. That's a bit much. And if you also zoom in here on the 1 hour, look at these long wicks on the bottom of these candles. That means we ain't having none of that. The bull people that are in this 1 hour time frame, the bulls, they ain't having none of that. So even on this 1 hour candle here that's being manipulated, look at that wick. It's all wick. It ain't even body. We fighting back. We fighting back. It's like the Empire Strikes Back. We fighting back. Although we're trying to be the good guys. I don't know. Was the Empire actually bad guys? I don't know. I'm ranting. Sorry. Can you tell I'm tired? Let's move on over to ETH, guys. ETH right now, we're on the 1 hour time frame. ETH still looking strong, guys. Still looking really, really strong. I don't care what anybody else says. Yes, we might come down. We might come down to 2,400. That's totally fine with me. We got the EIP coming out in just less than 48 hours now. You crazy, Bobo. You crazy for trying to short anything. You crazy for selling any of your ETH. You crazy. This might be a, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. But, I mean, if you're a long-term investor like I am, I ain't selling none of my ETH. You're going to have to pry it out my hands. Not financial advice, just letting y'all know. You have to pry it out my hands. Again, I wouldn't be shorting this either just because of technical reasons. Definitely wouldn't be shorting ETH. ETH has been super strong, super duper strong, guys. Right now, like I said, trading at 26.20 just about. We do have a red X on the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 2 hour here. 2 hour, we're still in the green, still in the green. We are showing that things are looking like they're covering up, back up here. 3 hour, kind of giving us mixed signals. We're all still in the green, still in the green. RSI is pointing, kind of rounding, actually, kind of pointing sideways. 4 hour is giving us back and forth, guys. See, from the 1 to the 4, it's kind of back and forth. Anything can happen right now. And matter of fact, it's been ranging for some time. If I'm being honest with you guys, on Ethereum's chart, guys, look at these wicks. Again, look at these wicks up and down on these candles. There's such little itty bitty bodies in all major wicks. Look at the price action, guys. It's moved. Look at that. Look at that. It's moved up and down like 7% up and down, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. That means good price action. Good bullish price action. We're still above the 50 EMA, guys. That's bullish. We're on the 4 hour time frame right here. I wouldn't short nothing. Matter of fact, I'm just buying these dips. Give me more. Thank you guys for giving me more. Right now, ADA is looking but like it's always been looking, guys. It's looking like it's being held underwater. We're on the 4 hour time frame. We had a pretty good dip from a couple of days ago, from where we were at 138 to where we are now. That gives us about a 5.41% dip. Again, I think you missed the bus if you're trying to short anything. I wouldn't do it. But you do you, though. I'm not shorting nothing. Right now, I think with, again, the technicals and the fundamentals and the development right around the corner for smart contracts, Charles have been putting out so much bullish bits of information for everybody to nibble on, pretty much telling us that things look good on his end with the development team. So again, I don't know why anybody would ever sell this off. I have no idea. I don't get it, especially when you got bullish things like that with development right on. I know some people are skeptical. I get it. It's been pushed back. ETH has been pushed back. ADA has been pushed back. It's been taking forever, blah, blah, blah. But honestly, guys, we're right there. Right now is not the time to sell none of this. Not financial advice. Just saying. That's what I see happening in the charts, guys. I'm so tired. I'm sorry. I kind of ranted a whole bunch. I'm just figuring out that I ranted a whole bunch. I've been driving and stuck in traffic all day long. I really do appreciate you guys sticking with me over the past few days with those horrible videos and even this ranty little video right now where I'm obviously tired. I appreciate you guys with all my heart. I really do. If you guys would, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subbing to the channel. Would appreciate you guys. Come on board. Let's do this. Anyway, guys, like I always say, stay blessed, stay profitable. Peace.